here with a patient who traveled from San Diego, California, my old university where I did my undergraduate, and he's here because he had problems with his lower back. We fixed it yesterday with the Deuk laser disc repair. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling outstanding. On a pain scale, 0 to 10, when I came in here, it was 10 out of 10. Been suffering from back pain since 2010. I had a microdiscectomy, kind of re-aggravated the injury about 14 months ago. And that's when I reached out and found Dr. Deuk online, started studying his videos and doing my research. And I'm extremely pleased with the outcome.
So are you having any of that pain today that you came here with?
No pain, zero. From the time I woke up from the surgery, I had zero pain. I had a little soreness, but no pain. I didn't have to take any painkillers. I've been on hydrocodones or you name it, all the big stuff, Lexerol. I ain't had to take none of that stuff. I recommend Dr. Deuk to everybody I know. I stayed up last night late because I'm still on San Diego time zone. And I emailed the video of the surgery to everybody I know, all my military friends, co-workers, to let them know if you're suffering from back pain, please reach out to Dr. Deuk. He's a godsend.
I appreciate you saying that. Yeah, Deuk Spine Institute. Well, I mean, what else is there to say? After that. So you didn't go to the hospital. We sent you home right away, right? It's outpatient.
Yes.
What are you going to do now that that pain is gone?
So I'm going to get a better quality of life. I'm going to take it easy for a while to make sure I don't herniate the disc. Dr. Deuk got me on a strict schedule of things I can't do, but it's going to feel good to be walking in the evening around my neighborhood and not in pain and getting a little physical therapy and just trying to get well over this next year.
And you can see in the video of the surgery, we went in with the laser, we found some tears in your disc, the annular tears. There was lots of inflammatory tissue in your case.
Yes.
With the pink stuff. We used the laser to debride that away. Without the laser, we wouldn't be able to do the surgery. So people ask, is the laser necessary? Absolutely necessary. It's what gets rid of the back and neck pain. Well, congratulations, sir. I'm very happy for you.
Thanks,
Enjoy your life. Go back to San Diego. I'm a little jealous because I miss that place.
Oh, good deal, good deal. Well, we miss you there, Dr. Deuk. When I found out you had roots University of San Diego, I knew it was fate. It was God's plan for me to meet you.
Absolutely. You take care of yourself, and it's great to meet you and your father.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's get you out of here.